must be the gypsy in you.
Good morning, welcome to day 3 in Amchi Bazaar. So we're just doing a little bit of shopping. We need to buy some poles. I'm thinking about getting a warmer jacket as well, which I've been advised to. But anyway, we've got a break in the rain, which is good because it rained all night and it's clearing up a bit, so we should see the view of some mountains today. We've just got a short trek, about 4 hours, 400 metres ascent and then 400 metres down, just to acclimatise. So it's about 8 o'clock now, we should be back for lunch. But yeah, looking forward to seeing the mountains for the first time. It was cloudy when we arrived yesterday, so we're hoping today we should be able to see Everest, so fingers crossed. All right, let's get going. Yeah. How you doing, mate? So we're about 45 minutes in now. We just started the ascent. We've came out of the town, up a trail through the pines. It's a lovely trail, but it's definitely feeling with the breathing today, shallower breath, trying to concentrate on breathing a little bit more. It's a lot quieter on our trek today. But it is beautiful. We've got some good views of the mountains and of course of Nima as well. Here's my main view. But yeah, just keeping going.
Okay?
So you know the team, one thing, so it's supposed to be autumn now, the autumn, but this looks like a monsoon. So well, like in the mid of October, so you cannot see like all the like little bit dry. So that's why we can see the green grasses. It means we're getting the more oxygen. Yeah. And you can see this is the juniper plant, as we saw there in the shop. So one of the ladies doing that's very helpful juniper that belongs to the Buddhism. So that's for stinky like worshipping. Morning time they worship their house, their shop, you know, for the good income, for the good life, all these things. So that's the meaning.
So what, sorry?
It seems a bit like moorland.
Yeah, yeah, it is, yeah.
Few shrub. Helps you take me off.
Wasn't a nice restaurant, I'd be taking my pants off sitting in the street.
All right, that's us. Our little summit for the day, 3,880.
Yeah. Middle high.
Gonna get a nice tea and coffee now, sit down and chill out, and then all the way back down. All right.
Very tatai.
No, don't get my
Fine
photo.
bird.
That dog is so regal.
She went to take a photo and he was like, no. Need a ball.
And they have a festival, you see the black one,
Oh yeah,
and that's a Sherpa British. And so you can see
very cool, man.
this is the museum, belongs to the Sherpa's culture and the people, and it is very popular. But they are doing the rebuilding, you know.
Very accommodating.
All right, high five. Very well. Yeah. Very well, mate.
Beautiful.
Yeah, nice to take a for a while.